Hey guys, what's happening? How to check call history on Google account. You can check call history on Google account primarily through Google Voice for calls made using that service. Go ahead and search for Google Voice on Google, and you're gonna see the website just right here, right? Where you can see your call logs, video calls, sorry, not video calls, just call logs, and the recent history, like this, for example, right? So what you're gonna do, or via the phone's app's history on your Android device, which syncs with Google Backup if enabled. Also, Google Meet call logs can be viewed in the app or web for video or voice calls, right? But if you're more specific and want to check call history only, the voice calls, what you're gonna do, just go to the Google Voice, hit sign in using your account, and then choose your Google account where you can see the call logs. All right, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.